happy this morning to honor the important person in this city and this world. Brahmarshi Pitamaha Subhash Patriji. He is a man of God. He is the founder of PSSS movement from violence to non-violence. Now, we are so happy. We are so happy, all of us here, actually speaking. He went all over the world. He did good job in all the countries of the world. I visited also almost all countries. I became a Vice Chancellor of Theological Research University from USA. I got recognition from 4 universities from the USA. And the same degree from the USA, it is given to our doctor. We honor him. We love him because of one thing, violence and non-violence. I'll tell you one thing from my side also. I love others as he is doing. He has got 2 main good characters. Number 1 is he is doing God's service. God's service in all the countries of the world. Now, secondly, to love one another, he is teaching us. That is what we want. We don't want any non-violence. We don't want any violence going on with one another. No. He is teaching us to love one another. That is what we want till our death. We must go out of this world with good name. With good name. As he has got the good name. We love him. And I am telling you one thing very clearly. Swamiji Sahib. Namaste Amma. So nice. Yes. A good character calling all of us this morning. Okay? I want to tell you one thing. In all the countries, by God's grace, I could give degrees up to PhD for 12,000 people. And I have also given convocation to the 8,000 people about the religious activities those are doing God's service. He is one of them. So, at this time, I want to tell you one thing. God's presence is here. God is looking at us. His angels are looking at us. And we are all here to witness his doctorate degree. We are so happy. We are so happy. Hereafter, he is called Doctor. Doctor, Doctor, Doctor. We are so happy Amma is here. So nice to see you. God bless you also both. Now here, good people are there. They are also assisting him. Number of people I have seen here assisting them. One thing I want to tell you before I close. Let us love one another. No quarrels. No fighting. Love one another. Your fellow men, fellow people. As he is teaching us. Now as the Vice Chancellor of the University, I request all of you, not only simply coming here, learn good things where you can get good name before we die. This is very, very important. As he is getting good name from all the world, all countries, He does so many good things he has done through this pyramid-wise. His main thing is pyramid-wise means like Egypt has seen the pyramids. He is also doing the same thing here with love. He is constructing the love. That is main thing in the pyramid. He is waiting for all of us who will follow my pyramid love. So therefore, we have come here, not only today, any day when we come here, let us listen to him. Follow his instruction. God is with him and his family and all the associates with him. Swamiji Sahib, God will richly bless you. Doctorate, you are a doctor now, Swamiji. That's what we want. That's what we want. Everybody say once more loudly.
Dr. Patriji, Brahmarshi Pitamaha, Dr. Patriji.
My dear friends, my dear masters, and my dear gods, and my dear doctors. If I am a doctor, you are all doctors. The most important thing I discovered in my life is that human beings should take care of animal beings. No animal should be killed for food or for sport. That is called a love. Animals are not food for the stomach. Animals are not game for sport. Animals are our younger brothers. We are here to take care of them. That is what is love. I don't care about human beings who are worse than animals. I care for those human beings who are better than divine beings, like him. There are human beings and human beings and human beings. There are human beings who are worse than animals. Even animals show kindness. But human beings are the cruelest people. They throw bombs. They create atom bombs. No animal creates an atom bomb. If it kills only for hunger. But human beings kill, massacre, without any reason. What kind of cruel humanity is this? Swamiji, we are all pyramid masters, we love only animals. And we love those human beings who love animals. Jayo ho non-violence to animals.
Jai Ho non-violence to animals.
Jayo ho non-violence to animals.
Jai Ho non-violence to animals.
Jayo ho Swamiji.
Jai Ho.
He is telling most important thing is love one another, love your animals. It solves all the problem. God bless everybody who is present over here and all the dignitaries on the dais and especially our Dr. Swamiji and his family.
Swarnamala ji, say a few words.
I'm very happy that we are all doctors. Always Patriji gives everybody what he gets. That is Patriji. Thank you.